There it is, guys, your first look at my Cross RC actual pump truck. I've been working on this in the background. You guys may have seen me build this kit, and you might have even heard me say that I wanted to make it into a FiRE truck, but it was going to take some work, and I still have another servo I want to add to it so the nozzle goes up and down. But look at this, water tank with breather tube, pump. This is an old FPV antenna stand that can actually move the entire turret all the way around. Check this out. Is that beautiful? I got it set up on a dial and then it returns back to center. Absolutely freezing cold today, but does it pump water? Hell yeah! It does it out the bottom cannon. I'm still working on the top cannon. But I think if we have a pump truck, we should definitely have a FiRE. And I know that there was some garbage that caught on fire in one of my dump trucks. I just got a report of it. Yeah, you never know the kind of trouble you're gonna have out in the yard. These old dump trucks, people don't know about throwing away lithium polymer properly, and sometimes they just explode while garbage is being hauled away. Let's put it out. Look at that! Yeah! Finally, my own pump truck! I just got to get that servo for backing, like for moving it up and down. But once I have that figured out, my own pump truck. Yeah. I'd also like to work on some sort of foam. Whoa! To work on some sort of foam nozzle where I can just spray foam instead of water. I think that would be most helpful. This is the first time I've actually used this truck. Awesome. Let's just change positions here so it doesn't smolder all night. Yeah, about there. So cool. This has been on my bucket list for so long of RCing. And you gotta have a breather tube in your back tank, or else when you go to shoot the water, it just creates a vacuum inside the tank, of course. But more on this to come. Gonna have to get a screen cleaner for my camera. Yeah.